The following are immovable properties under Article 415 of the Civil Code of the Philippines. Number 1, we have land, buildings, road, or constructions of all kinds adhered to the soil. Second, we have trees, plants, and growing fruits while they are attached to the land or forms an integral part of an immovable. Number 3, everything attached to an immovable in a fixed manner in such a way that it cannot be separated therefrom without breaking the material or deterioration of the object. Number 4, we have statues, reliefs, paintings, or other objects for use or ornamentation placed in a building or on a land by the owner of an immovable in such a way that it reveals the intention to attach them permanently to the tenements. Number 5, we have machinery, receptacles, instruments, or implements intended by the owner of the tenements to be used for an industry or work which may be carried on in a building or on a piece of land and which directly tend to meet the needs of such industry or works. Number 6, we have animal houses, pigeon houses, beehives, fish ponds, or breeding places of similar nature in case where the owner has placed them or preserves them with the intent to have them permanently attached to the land and forming permanently part of it. The animals in these places are included. Number 7, we have fertilizers actually used in a piece of land. Number 8, we have mines, quarries, and or slug dumps in case the material thereof forms part of the bed and waters either running or stagnant. Number 9, ducts and structures which, although floating, are intended by their nature and object to remain at a fixed place on a river, lake, or coast. And number 10, contracts for public works and servitudes and other real rights over immovable property. Article 416 of the Civil Code of the Philippines. The following things are deemed to be personal property. Number 1, those movable susceptible of appropriation not included in the next preceding article. Number 2, real property which by special provision of law is considered to be a personality. Number 3, forces of nature which are brought under control by science. And number 4, in general, all things which can be transported from place to place without impairment of the real property to which they are fixed.